Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandipaa. In my channel Homeopath, I will be doing videos on homeopathy. Today we will learn about what Hahnemann wanted to tell in his first aphorism. That is, in our Organon of medicine, there is a first aphorism. The aphorism goes, the physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure the disease as it is termed. So, this is the first aphorism, friends. As you know, in our Organon of medicine, he has given, this is the first aphorism, everybody knows. But in the footnote, Dr. Hahnemann explains what is the meaning of this first aphorism. So, by reading the aphorism, we understand what is the intention of Hahnemann to tell these words. That is to say, building air castles, building theories, building systems to explain what is the disease, what is the process of the disease, what is the pathology going on in the body. This will not help the sick humanity. So, this is the core understanding of homeopathy. And this is the core understanding of Hahnemann, that go on explaining, go on diagnosing, go on doing laboratory tests will not help the humanity. So in his two-line aphorism, first aphorism, he completely tells what should be the aim of the homeopathic physician. And he also tells in his footnote that in spite of explaining, in spite of telling, in spite of doing diagnosis, in spite of investigating the disease, it is better to cure the disease, whatever the disease is internally, whatever the disease is presenting externally. Annihilating the totality of symptoms is the main motto of every physician. But in English medicines, that is in allopathy, they will waste their time and they will always investigate in a direction where there will be no solutions. And they have created the specialty institutions so that they can explain. So this comes under cardiac problem, this comes under bone problem, this comes under skin problem. They have divided the man into so many specialities, which is not required, Dr. Hahnemann is telling. Simply because there is a waste of energy to go to the depth of the disease, which will be wasted, time will be wasted, energy will be wasted, and resources will be wasted. So Dr. Hahnemann tells that in spite of wasting so much of energy, resources and time, it's better to focus on the cause of the disease, and we must give a total relief, total cure of his sufferings. So in this first aphorism, he also tells that what is sickness. He does not tell that disease. He used the word sickness. Sickness means it is not only related to a partial part of a human body, it is the total human being suffering. Due to that reason, he tells that sick humanity or sick human being to be cured. So, sick human being, what you understand is what is the symptom he is presenting, the sick patient, the patient before you, he is presenting in his totality, should be cured. So, cure is a very rare concept in allopathy, but cure is a common concept in homeopathy. Cure, he says that it must be the disease or the sickness to be annihilated from inside outwards, and even the outside symptoms, whatever the patient is producing, should be totally cured. The statement tells like that. So Hahnemann, in his first aphorism, he makes it very, very clear that the sick human to be cured. What is sickness? It is the very important thing one homeopathic physician should understand. And what is cure? And what is the concept of cure according to homeopathy? So this is the totality of things what Hahnemann wanted to explain in his first aphorism. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed. So this is the first aphorism, friends. I just explained it as much as possible. Just give a comment below and tell what more can be done. And if you have any questions, please put in the comment section. This is all today, friends. Thank you and take care.